Okay, I'm gonna do a unboxing video. This is kind of fun because before, when I got all my crafting toys, unboxing videos weren't a thing. Okay, so this is my new custom stencil kit. And let's check out what's inside. In this box, that is the light. This is really what's going to make the magic happen, because this system allows me to print something like it's a design from Design Space with my Cricut. I can print it on a film, and then I put it onto stencil material. Okay, these are what holds up the light. Oh, so here's what the guide looks like. And this is what the whole thing will look like when it's put together. So then I can take my laser printer film, run it through my laser printer, print out an image, and then I put that image along with my, where is it? My stencil film onto my board, and then I put it under the light, and it shines the light on it so that it makes a stencil or like a screen printed image. You're gonna have to see it in action. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm really excited to share this with you. Thanks.